I took 3 trades today, 2 losses, 1 win, all of them short. I'm going to break down exactly what happened today, why I was bearish, why I only took shorts, and basically recap everything. I can't show the executions because it's not letting me log into my TradeAvate account, but it was all done on YouTube live stream. You can see all 3 trades that I took. Now, I was bearish into the day because of London highs likely being protected and the higher time frame being bearish. Price trades up at 9:30, and I then knew I wanted to target this low as an objective, and we are currently about to take out this low right now. The S&P has already taken out this low. Let's break down what exactly happened and the trades I took. The first trade I took, price goes above 10 a.m. opening price. That's a news candle that I waited for, and then we get the order block on the retracement. The trade that I took was right here. We take out the high, we break down. I put my stop above that order block high, and I'm looking for a run towards this low as an objective. That's low-hanging fruit, and then potentially all the way down, best case scenario. Obviously, we get stopped out. I then try again, pretty much the exact same trade. This one a little bit higher probability because of the bearish fair value gap, and then we get stopped out again. Now, why do I expect this high to be safe? Is very simply put, the higher time frame picture. If we are bearish, we should not see this fair value gap get traded into. It should be a breakaway gap, right? So when we trade into this one, I'm expecting this to be respected and this order block to be respected as well. It does not need to go any higher. This also is true for the 4-hour fair value gap right here that I also called out to be a breakaway gap in the live stream. So if you were there, I said I don't want to see price trade up here. In fact, if we take this high, I might consider shifting my bias to be bullish. So what ends up happening? We get a really deep retracement. I'm not engaging in anything here because I already took 2 losses, and I wait very patiently. The market then dumps, and I say I'll take a protraction model if it forms. We get the retracement, we get the protraction. Pretty textbook protraction model. Now, I'm going to be honest, I probably could have held this trade a little bit longer than I did, but overall, the trade looked something like this. I did not leave profits here. I simply took my profits out at this low right here. I actually got a really good fill at 11.22 low, and we made back our previous 2 losses, ended break even on the funded accounts. However, on my live account, which I can show the execution for, this is the only trade that I took. We took that one 10:50 macro, 11 a.m. PO3 up into a 10-minute bearish right here. We get the 1-minute order block, and we execute all the way down towards that AM low. At this point in time, we had an SMT like this, which is why I took the full profit there on the live and the funded accounts. I was not willing to give back any profits on this trade in case I was wrong. Overall, pretty difficult day, 2 losses here, but we managed to stay composed, and that is my recap for the day. Peace.